It's the swap meet flip and we are crushing it in sales. So let's get started and show you what we've sold in the past couple of days with this dollar item. This is a universal power supply battery charger. This was just $1. The guy was selling 4 or 5 of them in the box, brand new, never opened. I don't know why I didn't pick up the last one. Bought it for $1 and it sold for $30. This Bruce Nauman, the True Artist book. Look out for these kind of books. Art books are worth a lot. Bought this for $3. It's in great shape. It did have some writing in the back, but not a problem. And this was only $3 and it sold for $25. This Yamaha dual cassette deck. I knew I was taking a chance on this. Not sure if it was working or not. Wasn't working, but I knew I could still sell it for parts or repair, which is what I did. Bought this for $6 and it sold for $36. This Polaroid land camera. This is a Model 2 SX70. Bought this for $5. It had some residue due to the leather. I don't know why it does this, but it turns white. But I knew this was gonna be something that someone still would want. $5. Who cares? Bought it for $5 and sold for $69.95. This Standel large item PR4 preamp. This is used with guitars. Don't have the proper equipment to test it with, and so I had to sell it for parts or repair. Not a big deal. So bought it for $7 and it sold for $50. This Sennheiser HD420 SL headphone. This is an open back headphones made in Germany. Sounds really good. Bought it for $3 and it sold for $89.99. And the golden sale is this Tektronix P5200A. This is a high voltage probe. Didn't come with the ends, but I knew it was worth a lot, and I don't know why this guy just sold it so cheap. Bought it for $2. Had to buy a power supply, which is actually $17, but $2 for this item. Sold for $400. Wow. Anyway, that is what you need to look out for. These are the kind of stuff that you just want to pick up. Items that are less than what? Less than $10 a piece. Bought everything for $26 and all sold for $700.94. So that is a great profit. Awesome couple of days. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and possibly join the channel. That's the swap meet flip challenge. All right, join the channel so I can show you more. I'll see you guys on the next video.